Ready to dive into the next-gen gaming experience? Let's get your PlayStation 5 powered up fast. First, the most straightforward method: powering on your PS5 directly from the console. Locate the power button, situated on the front of the console. It could be on the top or bottom depending on how you have it oriented. On the slim version it is located in the top left corner. Press and release the power button. You should hear a beep sound indicating it's turning on. The PS5's indicator light will glow blue and eventually turn white, signaling that it's ready to go. If no light appears, check that the console is plugged in and the power strip is on. Next, how to power it on with the DualSense controller. This is great if you're lounging comfortably on the couch. Make sure the controller is connected to your PS5. This usually means it is either plugged into the controller or has been connected via Bluetooth. Simply press the PlayStation button, the one with the PlayStation symbol, located in the center of your controller. The console will power on, showing the boot up sequence on your connected display. Your controller should also connect and the light bar should come on. Your PS5 is now ready for action. Whether you choose the button on the console or the convenience of your DualSense controller, starting up your PS5 is quick and simple, letting you focus on what truly matters: gaming.